Welcome to Codezlux. Today we will talk about CSS selectors. We already created our HTML section where we include some specific tags. Let's create a folder named CSS. And in that folder create a new file like style.css. Now open the file and let's do some coding. Firstly, we will explain the element selector. This is to select the specific elements by its name like h1, p, etc. Write h1 and start the block by curly brackets. Change the color by writing color property and give it the value as dark blue. Then change the background color to light gray. To apply the style, we have to link our HTML page with our CSS page. Then save the file and reload the page. You will get the result. Then come to your CSS page and add a style to align the text to the center. Then we will move on to our next selector. That is, the ID selector. ID is used to point out the specific element of HTML. To style the element using ID, we will simply write hash. Then ID name, that is the slogan. Then start the block. To change the color of the text, write color and give the value like dark red. Also, to change the background color, give the value as light gray. To align the text to the center, write attribute align and give the value as the center. Reload the page, you will see the result. Then after that we will discuss the class attribute. The class attribute also performs the same function as the ID attribute. But ID is unique and used once on the page. And the same class can be used many times on the page. To change the styles of the class attribute, we will write then a class name like about. You can give these names on your own. We will change the color of the text to dark green, and then the background color to light yellow. We will also align the text to the center. As you can see, there is a repetition of the same style. So our next selector can solve this problem. That is the grouping selector. For example, we want to give the same style to more than one element. We will simply write all the elements and will separate them with a comma. Then we will start the block. And we'll write the style like text align equal to center. To align the footer also, simply add the footer element after the about. To give the same background color to all of the group tags, simply write background color equal to light gray. It will apply the same color to all of the tags. So that's all about today's lecture. In the next lecture, we will talk about CSS colors and spacing. Stay tuned with us. We will be right back soon. Thanks.